Welcome to the first part of maintaining the curb inlet planter system along Pine Street in Pawtucket. This video focuses on the first element of the system, the pretreatment structures. The curb inlet planters have two kinds of pretreatment structures, a grouted forebay and a deep sump catch basin. These structures are designed to capture trash and sediment from stormwater flowing in from the street before it reaches the planter bed. When properly maintained, these pretreatment structures help extend the life of the planter beds that do the bulk of treating the stormwater. Starting at the intersection with Main Street, there are 7 curb inlet planters on the west side of Pine Street. 6 of the 7 curb inlet planters on the west side of Pine Street have a grouted forebay. Curb inlet planter number 6, located at the intersection of Pine and Waverly Streets, has a deep sump catch basin. Maintaining the inlets and forebays along Pine Street is a 1-hour job for a crew of 2, done typically in May and November. A mid-season inspection in August is recommended to ensure that the screens are free of debris and if any sediment needs to be removed from the forebays. If there's an inch or more of sediment in the forebay, it's time to clean it out. Get started by gathering equipment and materials to bring to the site. You'll need PPE, the vac truck, pressure washer, trash pickers and buckets, pry bar, pick, and/or magnetic lifter, DPW truck. Pine Street is a busy link from Main Street to the train station, so traffic safety is a critical part of this task while the vac truck is blocking a traffic lane. Traffic control will be easier if maintenance is scheduled outside of peak hours, so avoid the 7 to 9 a.m. rush whenever possible. Under lighter traffic conditions, using a DPW truck as a shadow vehicle should be enough to provide a safe work environment for the vac truck and operator. The shadow vehicle should be behind the vac truck, with lights flashing while the vac truck is working. Let's begin with the inlet screen, the opening where stormwater enters the treatment structure. The main purpose of these screens is to keep large debris from getting washed into the planter. It is critical that the inlet screen be kept free of trash and sediment buildup so stormwater can easily get into the forebay and treatment bed. Clear any trash and debris from the screen that blocks stormwater from getting into the planter. If you see any damage, be sure to let your supervisor know. Make sure the inlet screen is returned to its original position and doesn't stick out into the roadway. If an inlet screen extends into the roadway, it can create a road hazard, potentially damaging cars or being damaged by snowplows. Next, inspect the grouted forebay. All sediment should be removed from the forebay during spring and fall maintenance, at a minimum. Use the vac truck to remove sediment and debris from the forebay. The vac truck is powerful enough to pull up the stones, so if you feel the stones start moving, reduce power. You may need to loosen compacted debris with some water from the vac truck. Notice the weep holes. The PVC pipes allow water to drain from the forebay. Sediment can get into the weep holes. The weep holes are about 10 inches deep. You may need to use the low-pressure hose on the vac truck to dislodge sediment and suck up the water and sediment. It's important to clean them out in the spring and fall with the vac truck. Now let's look at the deep sump catch basin at planter number 6. Use the pry bar, pick, or magnetic lifter to remove the catch basin screen. Just like cleaning out a standard city catch basin, use the vac truck to remove water and sediment from the catch basin. The deep sump catch basin has a smaller sump than a standard catch basin, so it won't fill the vac truck. All material removed from the pretreatment structures should be treated as catch basin debris to be disposed of according to state and city rules and policies. Routine inspection and maintenance of the pretreatment structures in the spring and fall, and as needed in summer, helps extend the life of the planters and make sure the city's investment in its infrastructure and environment pays off.